Yeah, it's scratchy. It's blown.
It was bound to go. It was starting to smoke.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
You've done a lot of work in this thing. Wow.
Oh, definitely.
Wow. Oh, the doors are heavy.
Yeah.
Is this low note Tundra?
Yep.
I remember. Okay. Yeah. Awesome.
She has some work done to her.
Oh yeah. So I know you said you're down one sub and all that, but anyway,
It's down that sub.
okay, so
So if you hear some distortion, I apologize.
all good. So low note Tundra, what's your name and what's in here? Go for it.
My name is Mike Sperry. I have a YouTube channel called Mike Banging 807, and I have normally 4 15-inch SVL avatars, but I fried one on the meter because I pushed about 156 decibels. So, which I guess is all right for the system I got.
Wow, 160.
No, 156.
156. Okay, that's still.
Wish.
I was about to say.
I
That's still
wish.
pretty good though. Like,
Yeah.
I know you still got some work to do too on it. So.
Oh, I got a lot of work to do on this thing.
Wow. These are some big PVCs.
Yeah, 8-inch.
Wow. Have you done? This is very going to be awkward. Have you tried dialing in the depth on this, or you just put it in there?
We just kind of push them in there.
Okay.
They're down like maybe that far in the box.
Mm-hmm. So you can adjust the.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They were a real pain to get in there.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So
Nice.
let me see if I can find you something, buddy.
Okay. What's the ratio like on this box? Or like cubes, top and bottom?
That is a good question. Wish my buddy was here. He'd be able to tell you. He's the one who helped me build it.
It's alright. It's probably like 12 and 20, or I don't know. Who knows? It looks good. Man. Solid roof.
Oh yeah, I had to get rid of that vibration.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the one I think that's
Yeah,
blown.
we gotta disconnect that one.
Yeah, it's scratchy. It's blown.
Yeah,
It's disconnected from the amp, right?
Yes.
Okay, I had to make sure. Okay.
Yeah, it's disconnected from the amp, and when we pulled it out, it froze like a slinky.
So you can either plug it or put it back in and it acts as a passive.
Yeah, what I'm doing, I already ordered the recone.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I was like, oh my god, there's recones for this? Thank God.
Nothing like it could be, but at least I got to check it out for the show,
Yeah.
so we got to meet you again.
Yeah, maybe, what was it, the end of the year, November?
I'll be at Ruckus.
That's it. That's what I'm going to try to be.
Okay. Yeah, that's a great show.
So maybe we could get a better demo
Yeah,
then.
congrats on the score. What was your score before and now? Like you were 56 today, but what was it before?
Anywhere between 153 and 155.
Okay, so you went up a dB or two. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right.
Yep.
And you're actually less power or more now if you were to clamp.
That's power.
That's an improvement. So
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Because I had 117K, now I got 2 JP83s.
Yeah. Yeah, and you're not clamping as much. Yeah.
Nope.
Awesome. Man. Sorry to hear you blew us up. I'm sure you don't expect it, but it happens.
It was bound to go. It was starting to smoke.
Oh yeah, it happens.
Trying to find something worth to listen to. Let's try this one, buddy. This is all about you. That guitar.
Get fly. I got 6 jobs. I don't get I got 6 jobs. God is saying grind hard, learn from every time. You ever fail if it never fail. Just grind small, iron sharpen. You the dag on they hindquarters and they all ancient. Rap game, I'm a pallbearer. Kill me, get a call after. Look, it was all after. Killing Gates was all after. They didn't believe, but they did believe. Dive in the crowd, no safety holders. Got in the booth, no safety on it. Aim and I shoot for the score. Fuck the award, I ain't win no awards. Only meaning one thing, don't get tired, go hard. I was trying to get it how I live. I want to live.
Ooh, you got some subflex action. Yeah, this is the one I think that's
Yeah,
blown.
we gotta disconnect that one.
Yeah, it's scratchy. It's blown.
Yeah,
It's disconnected from the amp, right?
Yes.
Okay, I had to make sure. Okay.
Yeah, it's disconnected from the amp, and
Yeah.
when we pulled it out, it froze like a slinky.
So you can either plug it or put it back in and it acts as a passive.
Yeah, but I already ordered the recone.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I was like, oh my god, there's recones for this? Thank God.
Yeah, appreciate the demo, man.
No
I know
worries,
it's
buddy.
nothing like it could be, but at least I got to check it out for the show,
Yeah.
so we got to meet you again.
Yeah, mate.
Awesome, man. You have a good day.
You too,
Nice to
dude.
see you again, man.
Yep.
Sorry to hear you blew us up. I'm sure you don't expect it, but it happens.
It was bound and go. It was starting to
Yeah.
smoke.
Oh, yeah, it happens. All right, man. Yep.
All right, brother.
Yep.